Hello everybody, SA Apps Info here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to recover your suspended Facebook account or how to recover we have suspended your account problem on Facebook. So if you if you disagree with Facebook that your account was disabled by mistake, then this video will hopefully help you. So first of all, go to any of your browser. I chose my Chrome browser, and then first of all go to the facebook.com and then log in your ID, and then go to the search bar and click type uh, my personal account has been disabled. So after that type to this text that my personal account was disabled. Then you can see in the first link my personal account was disabled option on Facebook. So click on that. After that you will find this form. In the first box you have to type the login email whatever you have with attached with your Facebook account, or you can enter your phone number. I prefer enter the email address so that Facebook send you a secret link that will be help you to uh, regain your Facebook account. So just enter your email address which attached with your Facebook account, and then type your Facebook account name. So I just type any random name just like, and then type your Facebook name. This should be type same. After that you have see a option that choose file. This means you have to submit any of your government issued ID card. It can be your national ID card, it can be your driving license, passport, your student ID card, your library ID card, or whatever your any of government issued ID card. So after just capture a pic of those cards in the front page which contains your name, date of birth, and your photo. So choose a pic of that, and then choose this pic or whatever you want to upload, and then click to the send option. In 24 to 28 hours your account will be active. That's a proven method. So uh, I hope in this video helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative tips and tricks. Or if you have facing any problem, then don't forget to subscribe. Then don't forget to comment below, or you can contact us with in the social medias. So thank you.